I have Ipsy's 2 newest mystery bags. So if you want to check it out and see, is it worth it? Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit was hanging out with me, but he just left me. Chloe's at a friend's house and Dexter's hanging out by himself. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, all that kind of stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so in their mega drop shop, they actually had a BOGO where it wasn't buy one, get one free because it was a couple extra dollars. But instead of paying $34 and $16, you got both for $38. And I was like, all right, that's kind of a good deal. So I thought I'd show you guys. You guys may have already seen it. I know I've seen a few, and you know, as usual, it can go either way. But the first one is the Ginkgo Glow Mystery Bag. And it says, meet your warm weather glam essentials. 5 deluxe sample size beauty surprises made for your everyday glowy. All right, and it has a jumbo ginkgo pull to match. So I guess that's the type of flower this is. And then you can see the seam is blue. So it's kind of like a Memorial Day type theme. The interior is also a navy blue. And the very first product is by Moonslice Beauty. And this is in the shade Kiss Me. Now this brand is cruelty free, and a portion of every purchase helps women in shelters at domestic violence shelters and minority women, according to their website. And how cute is that? Now this is full size and an $18 value. So right here, even if I paid $16 for the bag, the whole bag is paid for. Super lovely. Y'all know I love a cream blush. As you get older, cream formulas tend to sit better on older skin, drier skin. You can really buff that out to make it a nice light color. So this product is a score and makes the rest of the bag kind of worth its weight, I guess. And it definitely fits that glowing. All right, let's see. Product number 2 is the Choc Choc Green Tea Foam Cleanser from Tony Moly. So this is going to gently purify and refresh skin while preserving essential moisture. It's powered by premium fermented green tea and infused with naturally derived probiotics. It's creamy and antioxidant rich, and it's going to lift away any impurities. Now the full price for this is $14, and that's 150 milliliters. This is 20 milliliters, so the approximate value of this is $1.87. Still on that glowy routine. All right, next from Blink is their tubing brow juice. So this is going to get those brows to just stay in place. And it is a clear. Now, because it's tubing, I'm wondering if they're going to be like crusty. I don't know. I do have some of their other tubing products, love them. So what it says is that it's an innovative clean beauty brow shield that's going to act as a soft styling gel and a conditioning treatment. Okay, I like that. Typically the full size will be $24. And the tubing technology is going to hold each brow hair in microscopic flexible tubes to provide all-day hold without the crunchiness of traditional gels. I like that. If you get salon treatments like microblading, this is going to help extend the life of that. It also has glycerin, sorbitol, and natural phytopigments to condition and protect brows with every use. And it is a vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, made without silicones and harsh chemical formula. Now the full size of this is 8 milliliters, and the size that they gave us is 5 milliliters. So it's almost full size. The full size of 8 milliliters is $24. This at 5 milliliters comes in at $15. So again, I'm going to call this a good product. That to me is a win. Next, we have another full-size product. So 2 full-size products in here. This is by Ola Neon, and this is their lip drip in Gloss Me, which is a pale pink, and is on their website for $21. Now, currently, if you're really into this product, Ulta does have it on sale for like $5.50, but this is how it looks. So as you can see, it's a very pale pink, lovely, super shiny, super glowy. I think they're on the right track with this one. And our last product, now this has been a huge controversy from what I've seen, because it is an Ellis Brooklyn Dear Sky perfume sample, but it is the kind that you would typically get for free. All right, now I do love Ellis Brooklyn. They are a cruelty-free perfume brand. There's not a ton of them out there, but there is a growing niche. So super excited that perfumers are starting to get the message that we don't need animals to be hurt to smell good. Okay, so this is their Dear Sky scent, which has top notes of honeydew melon, strawberry leaf, mid notes of tuberose and white peony, and then the notes when it's dry are ambrette, galbanum. I'm not really sure what that is. Now, that being said, their travel spray at 0.34 ounces retails for $34. This is 0.05 and would retail at $4.85. So still not bad. I mean, more than the Tony Moly retailed for. So I'm not going to be mad at it because I love Ellis Brooklyn. This sounds like it's going to be amazing. Let's spray some on and find out. I'm in love with this. If they sell this on a travel size on Ipsy, I'm 100% there. Or FabFitFun. I mean, or full size if it's affordable. Yeah, this is lovely. This is absolutely just, it meets that glowy. Okay, so I think this was a win. I like the perfume. I know it's a small size. I know you guys are like, it should be free. Should be, you know what? This is life, right? It adds $4.85 to that overall value. We have the full size blush, glowy, the face cleanser to get that glowy started, full size lip drip, almost full size tubing brow juice. Yeah, I think that was a win. All right, let's get into the second bag. Now, this is the Porcelain Perfection mystery bag. It has 5 full-size glow boosting beauty picks to refresh your routine for spring, plus at least 1 AAPI brand, all packed in a classic travel-ready bag so you can glow wherever the season takes you. All right, it says you could score from brands like Cheekbone Beauty and LYS, both, well, I know LYS, I don't know Cheekbone. All right, this also has that little Ginkgo, and the outside has, it is obviously not real leather, but it looks leathery. Then you open it up, and the inside has those beautiful flowers. So how great is it? I mean, this I was going to order just for the bag, to be honest with you. So very first thing we have by Cheekbone is that illuminating primer, and this is in Moon Dew. It says balance between humans and the natural world. This is a $39 value with a weight of looks like 1 ounce. Yes, 1 ounce. It is a stunning champagne shade. This brand is vegan and cruelty-free, and it's a hydrating face primer. It has squalane and strawberry fruit extract, and it's going to moisturize your skin while delivering a radiant lit from within glow without chunky glitter. It's a pearlescent kind of natural glow that's going to help brighten. Key ingredients include a plant-derived glycerin to lock in moisture and squalane to support the skin barrier. So that would be like from sugarcane squalane. You can wear this alone or barefaced, and you can put it right under your foundation if you choose to, or you can also just use it to highlight your shoulders, whatever. So this sounds really okay. I would not have chosen this product, but it does have a nice pearlescent glow. Yeah, it really does. Okay, look at how glowy I am. I like that. I don't know how much I would use that on my face, but I would definitely use it like on my shoulders and such. I mean, maybe if I wanted to look super glowy. Ooh, this is a big one. This is from Dr. Brid C, and it is a moisture toner. It's pH balance and hydrate. And let's see what it says on here. Our unique formulation, born from the belief that hydration is a foundation of healthy skin, focusing on essentials, deep moisture, Dr. Brid C helps maintain healthy balance, powered by our patented delivery technology with a synergistic blend of peptide and 12-hour vitamin C, helps revitalize skin. This is 200 milliliters. It is manufactured by Hyundai Bioscience and distributed by VitaBread. Okay, I have had stuff from VitaBread. And it is made in Korea. I'm seeing a lot of plant-based products in here. So what I can find on this is that it's a clean formula, pH balancing, K-Beauty toner to soothe and brighten the skin barrier right after cleansing. It provides deep hydration with a triple hyaluronic acid blend alongside squalane to deliver deep layered moisture without any sticky residue. It's going to soothe and calm. It has Centella asiatica or Cica and a microbiome synergy to calm skin irritation, redness, and sensitivity, and collagen support. So it features the brand's patented PeptiBrid delivery technology, which helps route peptides deeper into the skin structure to aid in natural resilience. This retails for $18.90 on their website. Now, from their website, they do say they do not carry out animal testing on their finished products. I don't know what that means for their individual products or how they get them. They are not vegan certified at the moment, but there are no animal origin ingredients, and there are no toxic ingredients such as flavoring, synthetic flavor, mineral oil, paraben, ultraviolet ray absorbent, or silicones blended in. Next, from LYS, we have their Speak Love Lippy In Driven, and this is their lip liner pencil. So this is a $16 value, and on their website it is described as a terracotta mauve. This brand is cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. And the benefits include castor oil, which is a nourishing blend to help hydrate and condition your lips, and candelia, which is going to help prevent moisture loss. Okay, so there is how that looks. We'll put a little on. And that'd be nice for like a 90s nude lip. Now, LYS Beauty is a Black-owned, clean color cosmetics brand. Its founder is Tisha Thomas, and their mission is simple: champion non-conforming beauty through self-love and expression using formulas that your skin deserves. We're all about celebrating exactly who you are, not telling you who you should be. Their formulas are all skincare infused, and they have a sustainability commitment. So they say that they use FSC certified folding cartons and packaging featuring glass and tubes using 30% post-consumer recycled PCR materials to do our best in protecting the environment. Okay, next we have Seraphine Botanicals Big Flutter Mascara. Now, this is a $29 value, and the wand is similar to that you would find on the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So it's got that kind of, I'll show a picture up here, but it's got that kind of mascara that I think really works very well. Now, this brand is cruelty-free and vegan, and they say that it's engineered to lift, lengthen, and define every single lash without clumping, flaking, or smudging. Awapui and burdock extracts, and those are going to support your lash growth. And then rice bran wax complex to keep them soft, nourished, and flexible. Now, they're a small batch manufacturer, which means that apart from their private label orders, they don't make more than 300 pieces of any product at any one time, which ensures not only freshness of each piece, but enables them to keep the entire manufacturing process sustainable and as waste resistant as possible. There's never any animal or insect byproducts, parabens, harsh chemicals, dyes, or non-food grade fragrances, phthalates, triclosan, petroleum, bismuth oxychloride, nanoparticles, or unsustainable mica in any of their products. They are PETA and Leaping Bunny certified, and they are PETA certified vegan. So another great company. And then last from OPV Beauty London is a eyeliner gel pencil duo in black and brown, and this retails for $25 on their website. All right, so you can see we have black and brown. This company is cruelty free. They have the little bunny on there, and certified vegan. So Ipsy's getting it. This goes on so smooth, it just glides on. And I love a brown eyeliner. I've been so into that lately. These are long-lasting, waterproof, easy glide formula, and vegan and cruelty-free, as I said. On their website, they say that they work on enhancing and protecting your elegant and natural beauty, never artificial or too flashy. Our range of makeup and care products is all made from natural active ingredients, cruelty-free, environmental friendly, and vegan friendly. All right, so definitely worth it. The only product to me that's a little iffy is this, because they're not cruelty. Their finished product is not cruelty free, but that doesn't talk about the individual ingredients, and so that is one thing. However, they do have not yet certified, but vegan formulas, it looks like. So I don't know, I can go either way on that. But let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like hearing all this information about the products, or do you just want to see the products, know the value, and be done with it? Let me know. I kind of like learning more about the brands and about the products. It helps me make more choices with my dollar. So I hope you guys do too. But if not, and you like keep it simple, I'll keep it simple. Just let me know in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.